Using sheetcam, I can go from multiple project files to generated G-code in minutes. We'll start by opening an existing file. We can see a preview of all the files here. We'll choose this file. Then we can combine stuff from other files. We'll choose, I don't know, this guy over here. We'll select him, copy him to my clipboard, paste him from my clipboard, and then I can easily move him. And then if I want, I can actually create a 2x2 array. And then I can get sheetcam to automatically nest everything. It's done. I can confirm my nest. I get sheetcam to automatically calculate my lead-ins. Then I check if anything's overlapping. We pass the test, and then we automatically generate toolpaths. Then we click the G-code button, and then generate. And then we click the save button when we're done. The benefit to sheetcam doing almost everything automatically is that it never makes a single mistake.